to change your password within Elastic. Once you get to Elastic, you'll see your name in the upper right-hand corner. You can click this down arrow and hit Account Settings. And within Account Settings, you'll type in your new password and just confirm it. Save those changes, and you will get the notification that it's been successfully updated. That's it. Setting up your preferences in Elastic is super easy. If you come up to the right-hand corner, you'll see your name, and you can go ahead and click it. You'll get a little drop down to select those preferences. Some of the preferences you can change are if your order will default into either standard order or quick order. Standard order allows you to build a visual assortment and shows you full product descriptions. Quick order shows you a small icon of the product and allows you to see ATS very quickly, add units, and check out. You'll also be able to change if you want to see your order in either wholesale, just retail, or both. You can also subscribe or unsubscribe to email campaigns here. Other options you can change are your printing preferences and your languages. If you want to see this page translated into French, you can do so here. This video is to show you how to download all product imagery from an order. Say you get the question from your dealer that they need all assets to load to their website. Well, you can just come into Elastic under Manage, come to your orders, find the order that has all of the product assets you want to download, click these three dots, select Download Product Assets, and from here you can download all of the imagery, all of the data, all of the landing pages and category pages that have been loaded. And I'm just going to select images in this instance. And within a couple seconds, this is going to download all of the product images from our order. And then we'll be able to send this on to our dealer, and they'll have all of those assets they can load onto their website. So within a couple clicks, a process that may have taken a long time turns into a very short time. There we go. Go ahead and zip all these over to your dealer and be ready for the season. Shopping in Elastic can be done multiple ways. Right now, I'm looking at the collection or my catalog in Quick Order. Quick Order is going to show us the high-level details: style name, style number, colorway name, color code. I can always click more details if I want the full product description and more information on the product. Quick Order is a great way to access inventory very quickly and go ahead and check out. However, if you click the menu button, you can move into Standard Order. Standard Order will allow you to shop the catalog in a larger format and also build your order in an assortment view screen, so that you can start to build your order with visuals. And you can toggle back and forth between the two. So if you ever want to come up into menu, switch back over into Quick Order, you can do so with just a click of a button.